Hey guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create and set up our Solana wallet in just a few steps. So this is very simple and it will allow you to withdraw, pay, or do basically anything within the Solana blockchain. You can also buy any Solana coin you want. So let's begin. So the wallet I'm going to create today is a Phantom wallet. So I'm just gonna Google Phantom wallet. And then this is the website that will appear at the top. It's phantom.app. So just click here and now you can download it for your browser. In my case, I'm using Google Chrome. So I'm gonna click download for Chrome. But it's basically the same process for any other browser. So I'm gonna add it. And now you will have your Phantom wallet right here. Well, the Phantom extension. I'm gonna pin it. You can pin it right here. So it will appear here and you can access much easier. Now you can create or import an existing wallet. In my case, I'm gonna create a new wallet. And let's set a password for this wallet. And now agree to the terms of service. Now this is very important. This is the secret recovery phrase. This phrase is the only way to recover your wallet, as it says here. So it's important to not share it with anyone, because if someone has your recovery phrase, then they will have access to your wallet and they will be able to do basically anything. They can withdraw all your money. So make sure to keep it safe. Save it wherever you want and don't send it to anyone. Okay, so now I have saved mine. So I'm gonna click here. And now you can get started by opening the Phantom extension. You can click here or go to your extensions and click here. Now you basically have your wallet ready. You can receive money right here and copy your Solana, Ethereum, or Polygon address. So if someone sends money to any of these address, for example, my Solana address, I can copy it right here, or you can show the QR code so anyone will be able to scan this or send money to this address and you will receive the money right here. Then you can also send money to someone in any of these networks. For example, if I want to send money on the Solana network, I can just paste their Solana address and the amount of Solana I want to send. Then we also have more options to manage your total list, so you can enable or disable the coins that you want or don't want anymore. Then you also have your NFTs right here. You can also swap between different tokens. For example, if I want to swap Solana to USDC, I can do it right here. Then we can also check our recent activity. And then we also have this to download different apps or view different tokens. And then we can also check NFT collections or whatever you want. Another option that Phantom provides is to create multiple accounts. So you can click here, manage account, and you can create a new account, connect your hardware wallet, import a recovery phrase, import a private key, or track a wallet address. But that's basically it. Those are the most important features that Phantom has. If you want to log out of your wallet, you can go here at the top left, go to settings, and click log wallet. And that's it. Now you need to log in again to unlock your wallet. So I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.